What up, world? Let me tell you about the secret that nobody tells you. One secret they never tell you is you have to constantly update yourself. You have to constantly update your mind and your body. You have to constantly educate yourself and become better and better every single day. Because if not, you're going backwards, not forward. You have to constantly update yourself. Just like your iPhone, you have to do that same thing with mind, body, and spirit. You have to constantly update yourself. Hold yourself to a higher standard than anybody else. Never let anybody else have more expectations for you than you have for yourself. You gotta stop undervaluing yourself. You possess unique attributes and special skills that nobody else in this world has. It's just up to you to tap in and find them and put them to use to impact the world. Once you do that, you've unlocked a whole new way of life for yourself. Another secret that nobody tells you. Self-accountability is real. You have to take accountability for where you are in life, and it's up to you to change it. If you're not happy with your position in life, take accountability that wake up every day and tell yourself it's your fault. It's my fault that I'm in this position. It's my fault that I'm not where I want to be in life. It's my fault that I haven't done this already. It's my fault that I haven't accomplished this goal. It's my fault. Keep telling yourself that, and I promise your whole life will change. Understand that you're not no dummy, but also understand and assume you know nothing. What I mean by that, when you assume you don't know anything, it opens your mind up to be more receptive to education and learning from all different angles. Constantly consuming new information will help you update your mind. It'll keep your mental fresh. It'll keep it strong. But you have to go in as if you know nothing. Don't assume you know anything. Assume you know nothing. And you're looking to learn everything. Because the people that look to assume they know everything, know nothing. And the people that know they know nothing, learn a lot. Focus on producing instead of consuming. The producers reap the benefits of America, not the consumers. The consumers are taxed the most, they make the least amount of money, and they're constantly on a hamster wheel. The producers, on the other hand, see the best tax benefits, they make the most money, and they own their time. It pays more to be a producer than a consumer. Consumers are paying and spending more. Producers reap the benefits of people who are consumers. Look to become a producer instead of a consumer. You have to realize every single day, in some way, shape, or form, you're getting marketed to constantly around the clock. Marketing runs this country. Instead of always complaining about what someone's selling you, why not get in the game and learn to sell yourself? The one skill that's undeniable, especially in this country, is the skill to be able to sell. If you're able to sell, your whole life will change. Marketing runs this country. And realize every single day, in some way, shape, or form, you're being marketed to. Some people are lying to you. Some people are telling you the truth. But best believe it's all marketing. These are the secrets that nobody tells you. But make sure you take heed to them and get in the game.